We're gonna make a little movie. So, hi Benjamin. What are you doing?
I'm just on the walk, turning out the frog.
Oh, pretending to be a frog? So how old are you today?
4.
You're 4? Are you really 4?
No, I'm actually 3.
You're actually 3? Well, why'd you say you were 4?
Because I want to joke.
Oh, you're making a joke? You're so funny. Well, you're gonna be 4 in just a few more months in February.
I'm already 4.
No, you're 3, but you'll be 4 in a little while. What do you want to do for your birthday?
I want to have my own flashlight.
That's right, you love flashlights. Why do you like flashlights so much?
Because they light up.
They light up? That is pretty fun. What's your favorite color?
Red.
Red. Why red?
Because it's the color of fire.
Ah, yes, powerful. That is exciting. Who's your best friend?
Grandma.
Grandma? What do you like to do with Grandma?
I like to play games with her.
Yeah?
Hmm.
She is a great grandma. Who's your favorite brother or sister?
Lydia.
Lydia? Why is Lydia your favorite?
Because her always plays with me.
She does always play with you. She's very good at sharing too, isn't she? What do you think you might want to be when you grow up?
A police.
A policeman? Wow, that's cool. What is the nicest thing that someone can say to you?
You to play in my pool.
You can play in my pool? That would be fun, wouldn't it? That would be nice. What's your favorite prayer?
The prayer that we pray at dinner.
At dinner or lunchtime?
Dinner.
Dinner time? The table blessing?
Mm-hmm.
The bless us, O Lord prayer?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's your favorite? Where is the most amazing place you've ever been?
To the Mummy Museum.
Oh, the Science Center?
Yeah. Where
Yeah.
the mummies are.
Where the mummies are. That was exciting, wasn't it?
But we didn't see the mummies.
No, I know. That's a bummer. But you did see a movie about them, right?
But I was scared of that.
You were a little scared of the movie? It was exciting, though. What happened at the movie? Did you wear glasses?
Yes.
Yeah? Did they make it, like, pop?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like pop out of the movie. And turn into my eyes.
Wow. I would have been a little scared of that, too, I think.
But remember, soon when the movie was still on, we walked away.
Oh, yeah? It was getting a little long?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's why we walked away.
Yeah, that makes sense. What's your favorite game to play?
Tag.
Tag? Yeah? Are you good at tag?
Yes.
Are you a fast runner?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
got super fast power.
Yeah.
Like this.
That was pretty fast. All right, say bye.
Bye.